In this video, we're unboxing and installing Ford Explorer left rear door lower rocker panel. Door lower rocker panel, trim clips, tools required for removing and installing the Ford Explorer left rear door lower rocker panel, trim removal tool. Open the door. Firmly pry outward to remove the door lower rocker panel. Continue prying outward until the rocker panel is completely detached. Remove the rocker panel. Use a trim removal tool to remove any remaining clips. Comparison between the old and new door lower rocker panels. Before installing the new door lower rocker panel, we need to install the retaining clips into the mounting holes on the rocker panel. Align the clips with the slots on the panel. Insert the retaining clips. Install the remaining retaining clips using the same method. View after all clips are installed. Align the rocker panel with the mounting holes on the door. Install the new door lower rocker panel. Once the holes are aligned, firmly tap the lower rocker panel into place. Close the door. Final look after installation.